Yo, this is a trade recap for today. Unfortunately, took another loss. Honestly, wanted us to go down and take out this equal lows as well as fill in this new week opening gap. I mean, like from the start market open, we took out almost all the liquidity to the downside on NQ and on ES. But on ES, we did had this 30-minute fair value gap, which honestly I should have waited to see if mm, well 30-minute fair value gap. Yeah, we actually didn't respect it. If we would have respected it, we would have to close above this 5 minute for 5 minute. So that was my mistake. Now that I'm visualizing it, now that I'm seeing it, I did make that mistake, but I took longs. Um, the reason why is because I already told y'all we had this 30-minute fair value gap as well as we swept almost all of the liquidity from the start, as you guys can see. So after we swept out of almost all the liquidity, we had the 30-minute fair value gap. I waited for a 5-minute SMT divergence. 5-minute SMT divergence. As well, I first wanted to take shorts, which would have been this. Waited for a 5-minute retracement to the upside. We didn't have the retracement. We inversed this fair value gap. I wanted to enter, but then I took it out. Why? Because again, I realized that even though we have equal lows, we still have the 30-minute fair value gap, which I mean, we need to see if. Well, at the time I didn't realize it, but there were more confluences to the downside. We also had, I believe, a SMT divergence, or a 1 minute SMT divergence to the upside. So I mean, yeah, and it ended up taking it out, and instead waited for. I mean, obviously we hit the 5-minute equilibrium again, and we also inverse this Ferrari gap, which I enter as soon as we inverse it, but got stopped out. And yeah, took the loss. Honestly, should have waited for us to, or should have placed it to break even, because I would have wanted us to close above this 5 minute. But yeah, I should have placed it to break even. Unfortunately, it didn't. But yeah, that is the trade for today. It looks like yeah, we did take out this equal lows. So yeah, that was on me. The better solution would have been the better trade would have been obviously once we didn't inverse it, but inverse once we didn't close above this 5 minute for high. I would have waited for this for value gap to get inversed and take a short, boom, and obviously aimed for equal lows. which would have hit full TP. But unfortunately, did took a loss. I mean, it is what it is. We're learning. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today. There was no news. I'm down $524 on the account. In total, I am down 1,282. Yeah, a unfortunate loss. I will say so. The reason why I lost was because of this fair value gap. I didn't realize that we have to, in order to respect that, we have to obviously close beneath the previous 5 minute highs, which we didn't. Unfortunately, didn't realize it until now. But yeah, other than that, that's gonna be it for today. It's a recap. Unfortunately, we lost, and yeah, see you tomorrow. See ya.